Hey guys, if you're trying to play PUBG on your mobile and you're getting the message failed to log in, please try again. Then keep watching, as in this video, I'll show you a few ways we can fix this. Now, the first thing you need to do is just head over to the PUBG application. And once you're on the home screen, we need to click on the repair button on the right hand side. Make sure you have routine repair selected and then go ahead and press OK. And as you can see, you'll get this message saying client repaired, please restart the game. Click on OK. And then you can try relaunching PUBG to check if that's now fixed the issue. If that's still not working, the next thing you'll need to do is head over to the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down to general and click on this, then scroll down again and select VPN and device management. Now, if you're currently connected to a VPN, then I'd recommend first just disconnecting from your VPN. Alternatively, if you're not connected to a VPN, you can actually try connecting to a VPN. Sometimes this also solves the issue. Now, once you've tried that, the next thing we're going to do is head back over to the settings app, scroll down to general and click on this, click on iPhone storage, and then you need to locate the PUBG mobile app from this list. So once you found it, just click on the app like so, select offload app, and then confirm by pressing offload app. Give this a few seconds to complete, and then you'll get this option to reinstall the app. Go ahead and click on that button here and then just wait a couple of minutes while PUBG reinstalls to your device. Now, another thing you can try is heading back over to the settings app, click on Wi-Fi, and from here ensure you're connected to a secure Wi-Fi connection. Now, if it's not working on Wi-Fi, you could always try disabling Wi-Fi, coming back over to settings and click on mobile service and just ensure you have mobile data turned on, and you can try connecting to PUBG with your cellular data. Now, lastly, if you have tried all of the steps in this video and it's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend is just launching up a PUBG like so. And you want to try logging in with one of your connected social media apps. So you can try logging in with Facebook, or we can click on this more button here and you can try logging in with either Twitter or a QR code, depending on what you have linked to your account. And that's it, guys. Hopefully by following these steps, that's now fixed your login issue. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.